Everyone has heard of mechanical and electrical and civil and chemical, but one of the questions that I most frequently get asked is, what is industrial engineering? Hi folks, my name is Rob Thomas. I'm a professor emeritus here in the Department of Industrial and Systems Engineering at Auburn University. I've been in this industrial and systems engineering business now for over 35 years. Industrial engineers bring together the various branches of engineering and make them work together and include the people in that equation. And to look at the way everybody is operating and gives us some perspective as to how we can best bring our resources together and work together effectively. One of the big examples we have is right here in the state of Alabama. We have some very large automotive assembly plants. The industrial engineers look at the entire system and answer, how many production lines do we need to have? How do those production lines need to flow? What type of jobs have to be established along the production line? And how do the people need to be trained? It's not traditional engineering. It's going to be a very broad base, and it's going to include a lot of people. And if you like working with people and studying people, we're a good place to be. Thank you for your time.